Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Eric Carter, and on behalf of GalaxyNinja.com, I want to extend a warm invitation to really dive into our blog and enjoy some of the free content that we're putting together. We're currently in India. We're traveling the world right now, and we are doing some work for some folks, consulting, coaching, engineering strategies for people all over the world, as well as being coached ourselves. And we see so much incredible potential that we wanted to give back and create community in our own way in terms of a systematic approach to tutorials, some technical as well as more strategic approaches to social media and how it can be powerful to you as an individual, business, or organization. So we are absolutely launching this Galaxy Ninja project, and encourage you to really join us, create buzz, create community with us here at GalaxyNinja.com, and more just really enjoy what we have to offer. So on behalf of GalaxyNinja.com, Asher Ferguson, Joey Del Rey, as well as some colleagues in Holland, we encourage you to subscribe below and really just enjoy some of the powerful content and strategies that we are offering today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.